Hey guys, today's video will be a bit different in the way that it won't be a step-by-step tutorial, but I will show how I use my Sublime Watercolor brush pack to paint this girl drawing and how I managed to do it using only a few brushes. So please enjoy. So that's it guys, I'm done now and I'm glad that I was able to show most of my coloring process and show how you can utilize my brush pack to paint people and croquis. I do regret drawing her hand so small though because it looks a bit awkward, but overall I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching guys, see you in the next one.